Hi, I'm Maria Silva. After more than 50 years, Red Rock Elementary School is being torn down and rebuilt. We were there on the last day of school when students and staff said goodbye to their old building.
Good morning, Red Rock Roadrunners. Today is Monday, May 22nd, 2023. It is the last day of school for the current Red Rock Elementary. It's Sherlock Holmes Day.
So Red Rock was built in 1955. The building, as historic as it is, it's seen some wear and tear. So they're gonna tear this school down and build a new one up on the same site while we're at the site. And then we'll be there for the 23-24 school year. And then for the 24-25 school year, we'll be back here in our brand new building. Our staff are more than excited. They're elated. It's well overdue.
Yeah, I just feel like our community and our children that go to this school deserve to have a brand new school that's like clean and safe for them to learn. And it's like their safe place. And I know a lot of them, where they come from, like this is where they love to be. And so they deserve to have a space that is brand new with new technology and things that work. Like our community really deserves that.
I feel sad about this school is closing, but the next school, I might have some of my friends that are in third grade in my class.
But I'm gonna miss most is my teachers and my friends because I don't know if I'm gonna see them in the other school. Because we're all gonna be in different classes for the rest of the year.
I think it's gonna be tough for a while when people see it being raised, but when they see the finished product and when we come back in a year, I think it's going to be fantastic.
I think the most important thing to remember is that any school is about the people inside it, not the building itself. And we may be transitioning for a year and coming back, but Red Rock is still Red Rock no matter where we are.
Goodbye, Red Rock.
Goodbye, Red Rock. We love you. And that's the way it is, May 22nd.
The new state-of-the-art Red Rock Elementary School is slated to open for the 24-25 school year.